The meme coin markets are picking up yet again, and a whale just purchased over $150,000 worth of a new 10x potential meme coin out there in the crypto space. Welcome back to the 183 channel, everybody, and let's talk about what just recently happened. We can see going on Etherscan doing some on-chain analysis here, May 7, 9:14 a.m. So basically just a few hours ago, really, there was a massive buy of like 62 Ethereum. A massive whale got their hands on some of the Dogeverse ICO and pre-sale, which is a coin that we've recently been talking about. So this is crazy to see, one of the biggest. Also, Etherdrop's tracking bot. You can see Dogeverse buy bot around $183,000 worth, which is insane. So of course, this is turning a lot of investors' heads towards the project. This is very, very big news and a massive milestone for the ecosystem. So last chance to buy before the launch. Over $13 million has been raised, guys. One Dogeverse is $0.00031 right there. So welcome back again to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. Now, Dogeverse is a special token because it is using portal technology as well as wormhole technology to actually deploy on 6 different chains. You've got Solana, Base, Avalanche, Polygon, and BNB. So this is a very quick general update of what's going on, as there's only a few days left now for this particular pre-sale. You can see they've got 73% per annum on the estimated rewards here on the staking side, with 22 billion tokens being staked. That's over 10% of the total 200 billion supply right here, and things are looking quite good. You have these tokens slowly emitted over the months, throughout to 2026 as well. So this is really bullish to see. Long-term roadmap, we're sitting in the awareness phase, and in phase 4, which is soon, we'll see the first decentralized exchange listing. Phase 5 is going to give you guys a centralized exchange listing, which is massive, and continued marketing. So very curious really to see what they're going to do, what products they're going to add, and what else they could actually do here on this ecosystem to make it ever so more exciting. So it looks pretty solid. Meme coins, like I say, are on the up. We've got Cat with Hat up massively, Baby Bonk moving good, Turbo is looking good, but overall Dogeverse with that massive buy is absolutely shining. So if you do want to check out Dogeverse, the link is down below. Do some research if you want to grab this meme coin. Very easy to buy by connecting your MetaMask wallet or other various wallets and grabbing some tokens. So the link is down below. See you all soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe, and do remember, this is not financial advice, and let me know what you're looking at in these crypto markets. See you soon.